How to download video from Google Drive to iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Google Drive application on your phone. Google Drive's main uses are securely storing files in the cloud, enabling access from any device, collaborating on documents with others, and integrating with Google Workspace apps like Docs, Sheets, and Slides. Users can also share files and folders, organize attachments from Gmail, and scan documents directly from mobile devices. Once you're here, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Files. Open any folder from here. If you want to download a file from here, then tap on the three dots beside it. And then, tap on Download. You have now successfully downloaded this video to your phone. Now, go back and open up the Photos app. You can now view the video from here. Following these steps, you can easily download video from Google Drive to iPhone.